Hello guys, today I will be showing you this microphone condenser mic by Proel. The model is Eikon C14. I'll be testing this mic in various positions behind me. Okay, there's a shock absorber here. Okay, sorry for the handling noise because I haven't do anything yet. I will mount it later. But first I want to show you this mic. And you can see there's a low cut here, unidirectional pattern, and another switch 0 dB or minus 10 dB. Okay, so now let's proceed to the testing. Here. Okay, today I will test this condenser mic from Proel. The model is Eikon C14. Okay, this is what you can listen from me. This is about half my arm length, it's about half a meter. So if I go nearer, this is what you can hear. If I go nearer, this is what you can hear. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a unidirectional condenser mic, which actually capture most of the sound from the front and slightly from the side, and rejects from the back. Okay, so if I move further backward, it's about one arm length. Okay, one arm length from me. This is the sound quality that you can hear from this microphone. And maybe I move one more step behind, one arm length plus another step behind. This is what you can hear from this microphone, Proel Eikon C14. Okay, I go back to the front, check 1, 2, 3, 4, check 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what normally the podcaster or live streamer will be using at this length to the mount. So yeah, this is it. Okay, then I go 45 degree to my left. So this is 45 degree to my left to the C14 mic. And can you listen to the difference between my sound, my voice from the front and 45 degree? So if I move to about here, this is about one arm length from the C14 at this angle. So testing mic 1, 2, 3. This is what you can listen from the side. Okay, hopefully that is a difference between the side and the front. And then I move another 45 degree here backward. So this is what you can listen from this position. Hopefully this have further reduction in terms of the voice capture. Okay, here I'm here, 45 degree at the back, and I'm at the back of the mic is about one arm length. So this length, one arm length from the mic, and this is what you can listen from this mic. Okay, and I step away is about another 45 degree, okay, to the mic, and at one arm length. This is my sound at this location. Testing mic 1, 2, 3 for Proel Eikon C14 condenser mic. And further, I move here. Okay, one arm length at the side of C14 condenser mic. So this is what you can hear. Check 1, 2, 3, 4. Mic check 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I can go nearer just for testing purpose. Okay, this is just this length. Testing mic 1, 2. Check 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and back to one arm length, about 45 degree. Testing mic 1, 2, 3, Eikon C14 Proel condenser mic. Hopefully the sound is nice. And back to 1 arm length position at the front of the C14. So hopefully you all can hear the difference between different locations, and you can imagine to use this mic for your usage in your studio or in the field. Thank you very much for watching, and see you.